As you must have already seen in the previous tutorials, we have a WPF application that obtains a list of records from our ASP.NET Core Web API application. It shows those records in a WPF data grid. When a row of the data grid is clicked, a dialog pops up that shows a form for editing the record. The Save button for this form is wired to a click event handler that makes a put call to a web API and updates the record. A delete button on the same form causes a call to a delete web API. The objective of this tutorial is to study the code for calling put and delete web API. Open the Solution Explorer of the attached Wpf project and locate the file dialog.xaml.cs. Double-click and open this file. First we have the namespaces. Then we can scroll down and locate the event handler for the update code. As usual, we have used the HTTP client class for our web API communication. And then we have created a Dr. DTO on the basis of the form filled by the user. Validation code has not been shown for simplicity, you can add it yourself. Put as JSON async is the main function that makes a call to the web API. The response message is shown in a message box. Next, let us have a look at the event handler for the delete button. Again, we have used the HTTP client class. The web API call is made by the delete async function. Finally, we can run the application. First, run the web API project to open the home page. This ensures that the server is running. Now run the WPF project. If everything goes fine, the records will appear in the data grid. Double-click a row to open the edit dialog form. Make some changes. Change the name of the doctor and change the value of the fees box. These changes will now be posted to the server. Click the submit button and we verify that the server response is received in a message box. Click OK to close the message box. We can see that the data grid now shows the updated values. Similarly, we can double-click a row to again open the edit dialog box. Click on the delete button. We verify that the record gets removed from the data grid.